If you're about to buy a security camera, don't just grab the cheapest one. Some cameras have terrible night vision, some miss motion when it actually matters, and some seem affordable until you realize you need a subscription just to use basic features. In this video, I'll show you what to look for and what to avoid before buying a security camera so you don't waste your money. Number 1. TP-Link Tapo Wire-Free Magnetic Security Camera. The TP-Link Tapo Wire-Free Magnetic Security Camera is relatively inexpensive compared to our other outdoor camera picks, yet it captures clear 2K video and includes a long-life internal battery so you can install it anywhere within reach of your Wi-Fi signal. You have the option to store video for free using local storage via a microSD card or using a paid cloud subscription, which enables 30 days of storage for $3.50 per month or $35 per year for one camera. With or without a subscription, AI detection is enabled. Not all cameras include that, so it can distinguish between various motion triggers, including people, vehicles, and animals. To limit the volume of nuisance recordings, you can create activity zones that tell the camera what it should and shouldn't record. For example, you might have one zone triggered by vehicles and animals, and another zone that records only people. Number 2. TP-Link Tapo 2K QHD Security Camera, Indoor-Outdoor, C120. The TP-Link Tapo C120 captures excellent 2K QHD images day and night. It can distinguish between various types of motion, such as people, pets, and vehicles, as well as detect the sounds of crying, glass breaking, barking, and meowing, and all without the need for a subscription. Like our outdoor pick, the C120 offers a lot of customization options, including the ability to create activity zones that can detect specific types of motion in a limited area. For instance, I created a zone in my living room to detect people and pets, with a separate zone around my couch specifically for my chunky cat. Users can store recordings for free on a microSD card or in the cloud for a fee, starting at $3.50 per month per camera. Number 3. Eufy Floodlight Cam E340. The Eufy Floodlight Camera E340 combines a bright outdoor LED light with two surveillance cameras, one with a 2K telephoto lens and the other a 3K resolution wide-angle camera. The E40 can survey a far greater area than other models because both cameras can pan and tilt 360 degrees horizontally and 120 degrees vertically. Both cameras can track and follow motion well, capturing clear images day and night, both with and without color night vision. Video can be stored internally on a removable microSD card up to 128 gigabytes to the Homebase S380 hub sold separately, or in the cloud if you opt for a subscription. They start at $4 per month. Two integrated LED panels capable of blasting 2,000 lumens of brightness can be turned on and off or tweaked via the Eufy app or voice control. Number 4. Google Nest Doorbell. Wired 3rd Gen. The Google Nest Doorbell was the most accurate video doorbell in identifying types of motion, and it reacted quickly when sending smartphone alerts and displaying live views. The camera captures smooth video with a 2K HDR resolution, a 1:1 aspect ratio, and a 166-degree diagonal view. Audio was always clear on either end in our tests, with adjustable volume and the ability to switch off the microphone when necessary. While it offers free cloud storage, it's limited to 10-second clips that auto-delete after 6 hours, making a Google Home Premium plan essential. With the subscription, you can store video clips for up to 30 days, and it adds optional familiar face detection. The higher-tier Google Home Premium Advanced plan adds longer storage for video clips, 24/7 recording, and Gemini features. Number 5. TP-Link Tapo D225 Video Doorbell Camera. The TP-Link Tapo D225 Video Doorbell Camera offers an almost comprehensive selection of features you'd want with a doorbell. It captures video in 2K and has an expansive 180-degree field of view. It has a built-in rechargeable battery that lasts about 3 to 4 months, but can also be hardwired if you don't see yourself ever charging it. You can choose between storing video locally on a microSD card for free or signing up for a cloud plan, which starts at $3.50 a month or $35 a year for one camera. If you opt for hardwiring the doorbell, you also gain the ability to record 24/7 video and have it stored locally. The D225 uses AI to distinguish between motion, people, vehicles, animals, and packages, and allows for customized notifications and activity zones, so you can choose precisely what triggers recordings and alerts and what to skip. If you're also looking for the best outdoor security camera without monthly fees, I've made a separate video for that. Check it out next. And if this video helped you, hit like so more people don't make the wrong choice.